December 2019 Planetary Transits for Capricorn and Capricorn Rising. This is an equal house chart set up for 0 degrees Capricorn on the ascendant, Eastern Standard Time, New York. We begin December 1st, 2019 with 2 planets in Sagittarius in the 12th house sector. The Sun at 8 degrees Sagittarius and Jupiter at 29 degrees. In the 11th house, we have the planet Mercury at 19 degrees of Scorpio and the planet Mars at 7 degrees Scorpio. The first house sector is packed with 3 planets in Capricorn. Venus at 6 degrees Capricorn, Saturn at 18 degrees Capricorn, and Pluto at 21 degrees Capricorn. The moon is placed at 4 degrees of Aquarius in the second house sector. Neptune at 15 degrees of Pisces in the third house, and Uranus at 3 degrees of Taurus in the fifth house, retrograde. Please note, if you know your astrological chart, don't forget to look at the natal condition of the 2 planets involved in transit. For example, if transiting Sun is square transiting Saturn in space on that day, first check to see if the Sun and Saturn form an aspect in your birth chart by conjunction, opposition, square, trine, or sextile. If it does, blend the quality of the transiting aspect with the quality of the natal or birth aspect. This rule should also be applied to planetary transits to natal planets. If transiting Saturn is square your natal moon, first look at the natal condition between the moon and Saturn. Should there be a natal trine between moon and Saturn, then a problem will arise transiting square, but will be resolved. Natal trine. On December 2nd, the planet Jupiter enters the sign of Capricorn and moves into the first house sector. On December 8th, with the Sun square Neptune between houses 12 and 3, the urge to escape the mundane will be strong. A good day to withdraw, meditate, and explore the spiritual dimensions of life. Reading a book on higher thought subjects or visiting a place of spiritual worship will provide you with the food you require under this energy. On another level, there may be a lack of clarity when communicating with those in your immediate environment. You may not have all the facts. The planet Mercury enters the sign of Sagittarius on December 9th and moves into the 12th house sector. December 11th brings a Venus-Saturn conjunction in Capricorn in the first house sector. This is a useful energy under which to assess your appearance and demeanor and how you come across to others. Use this vibration to improve your clothes, hair, and the overall physical impact you make. December 12th brings the full moon, 12:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at 19 degrees of Gemini in opposition to the Sun at 19 degrees of Sagittarius, spanning houses 6 and 12 and receiving a square from Neptune at 15 degrees of Pisces in the third. The job environment may prove to be challenging due to miscommunication with coworkers. You may be working with inaccurate data or drawing the wrong conclusions from the information you have. There could also be deliberate misrepresentation. On December 13th, under Mars trine Neptune, between houses 11 and 3, you can expect the confusion of yesterday to be cleared up. This is a positive energy under which to smooth over any full moon tensions that may have occurred. Also on December 13th, The planet Venus will conjunct Pluto in the first house. A good day to transform your appearance by shopping for new items that will give you a new look. December 15th brings Jupiter trine Uranus between houses 1 and 5, a romantically lucky vibration that could bring a new lover or unexpected gifts and benefits from your current love interest. On December 19th, the square between Mercury and Neptune, spanning houses 12 and 3, could see you mentally escaping into daydreams and fantasy. Concentration will be fuzzy, along with a lack of clarity in communication. Be on your guard against misunderstandings. The planet Venus enters Aquarius on December 20th and moves into the second house. On December 21st, the Sun enters Capricorn and moves into the first house. Venus square Uranus on December 22nd, between houses 2 and 5, may bring an unexpected conflict with a loved one, possibly due to a financial expenditure. On another level, there may be an exciting new love interest discovered off the beaten track. The Sun trine Uranus on December 24th is a very exciting, high-spirited, and social vibration which is best utilized in the company of others. Occurring between houses 1 and 5, love and romance may be in the air. If unattached, take advantage of this energy by getting out there and socializing. December 26th brings the new moon at 4 degrees of Capricorn, 12:14 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the first house sector, activating personal concerns over the month ahead. The new moon energizes whatever it touches, and this month it will conjunct Jupiter at 5 degrees of Capricorn, promising a positive development. As it also trines Uranus in the fifth house, a love relationship may be in full bloom. On December 27th, the Sun will conjunct Jupiter in the first house. This is an expansive, generous energy, full of positive feelings that can heal and uplift yourself and others. It also brightens your outlook and gives hope for the future. The planet Mercury enters Capricorn on December 28th and moves into your first house sector. December 30th brings Mercury trine Uranus between houses 1 and 5, favoring communication with loved ones. Expect a great deal of excitement and mental stimulation to come your way. A good day to go out and have some fun.